Hey, this is Luke from Walser CJD, just here to help you out with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Uconnect 5 system. So let's hop on in, walk through getting it all set up and connected with the car. The one thing you will have to do with Android Auto is to make sure you have the Android Auto app downloaded on your phone ahead of time, and that will allow it to pair with the vehicle. Getting your device connected is pretty easy for Android Auto. So when you go into the phone tab on the screen, you're going to click Add Device. Search for Bluetooth devices. Now your phone should pop up on the screen. So in my case, it's a Galaxy Note 8. So you select that phone. It's going to send a pairing request to your phone. You're going to hit OK, yes on the screen, and it'll start the connection process. It will ask for access to your contacts. You're going to want to hit Allow. And then Android Auto should automatically pop up, and to continue going, you will hit Android Auto on the screen and it will be connected. Hope you're able to get that done, and if you have any questions or had some issues getting that taken care of, please stop on in at Walser CJD. We're located in Hopkins right off Highway 169. See you soon.